So one of the big things coming out of the winter we just have, where it was so freezing, homeowners want to know, hey, if I upgrade my windows, what type of energy efficiency and benefits can I get? The reality is almost any window you buy today, 99% of windows are going to be significantly better over single pane windows from the 40s, 50s, 60s, even 70s, okay? So the real thing comes down to what's most important to you, the homeowner, okay? You can't just look at things like a U factor or double pane or triple pane or energy efficiency. You gotta look at, well, how long are you gonna be in the home and how long is the window gonna perform and who's installing it, okay? So the number one thing that actually drives a window failing is poor install. So did they leave existing wood rot that lets water and air in? Did they not tape the window properly? Did they not flash it? Did they not use foam? So making sure you hire the right installer is so important, and a huge reason why people trust Fairway Exteriors, not only because our proven track record and tremendous all 5-star rating on reviews is, we use the same crew for all our window installs. There's plenty of big window companies in town that have 40 salespeople and 40 different crews. The sales rep has no idea who's gonna come in your house, and you have no idea what crew's gonna install it. When you hire Fairway Exteriors, we use the same crew every single time for every single window and door install. When you get back to specifics on energy efficiency, so I'm a big believer in fiberglass technology. It's a better technology, it's gonna last longer, okay? A lot of times when you're buying, like we sell out of Marvin windows, but anytime you're looking at Marvin, Appel, or Anderson, they normally kind of rest their laurels and hang their hat on having a better technology. I like Marvin because it's all fiberglass exterior. They manufacture it, everything's single source. They make all the components of fiberglass versus most people buy it from China or Indonesia or third party. So they have single source control. That product's gonna move significantly less and expand less and break down less. That means over time, with wind and freezing cold temperatures and sun, that material's not gonna fail. And so a lot of times you can actually get a better technology glass, or you can get triple pane at much more competitive pricing for vinyl. The problem is that's only a 15-year technology. So my mother-in-law really just wanted to stay in her house 5 more years, and vinyl technology triple pane was a really great way to get high energy efficiency, and that was a great 5-year solution. But if it was me and my wife, and we were gonna be in our home for 30, 40 years, we'd have to install vinyl windows at least twice. So at that point, it'd be much better going with a technology where it's gonna last much longer. It's slightly less energy efficient day one, but it's gonna maintain that consistency over 30 years versus vinyl. It's like a reverse hockey stick. It starts off very good and then it basically falls off a table and plummets year 10 or 15. So when you look at energy efficiency, you can't just look at what has a higher U factor to say what's better today. A lot of it's who's installing it, how are they prepping the window, how are they installing it correctly, how are they flashing it. You gotta keep water out, water causes everything to fail. And then it's, well, what materials are they using that are gonna last long-term, and not just, how do I help with energy efficiency today? We do recommend a lot of times, if you're using vinyl, to go to triple pane. There are some energy tax credits, so homeowners are eligible for up to $600 on if you use a triple pane glass window. Part of the problem with triple pane though is it's better against heat, but it's also not as good against sun. And a lot of times homeowners in Kansas City are really focused on sun and energy. And so we do offer some different glass types like low E3 glass, and every manufacturer calls it something different, but they're basically a sun defense technology, and we offer that as well a lot of times on fiberglass.